Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram white screen. To know how to fix Instagram white screen, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to find the application of. We will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will go to find the application of Instagram. After that, in this page, you will go to click first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. And then in this page, you will go to clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.